Dear students, in this video lecture of class 7 subject science lesson number 4, that is heat and temperature. Today's topics are heat and temperature. First topic is heat. Heat is a form of energy. Energy means the capacity to do work is called energy, which gives sensation. Sensation means feeling of warmth. Warmth means somewhat hot. Heat energy moves from one place to another due to difference in temperature. Means heat energy transfer or move from one place to another place or one object to another object in which there is difference in temperature. For example, body A has temperature 50 degrees centigrade, body B has temperature 25 degrees centigrade. So heat flows from body A to body B because body A has higher temperature, body B has lower temperature. This flow of heat take place till both the bodies acquire same temperature. It is measured in calories or joules. Joule is SI unit of heat denoted by J. So SI unit of heat is joule, it is denoted by J. Formula for measuring heat is Q equal to mST. Q is the amount of heat, M is the mass of the substance, S is the specific heat of the substance, and T is the temperature difference. Now the second point is temperature. It is defined as the degree of hotness or coldness, means how much the object is hot or cold. It is given by temperature of an object, means degree of heat is temperature. It is measured by using three types of scale or measuring device: Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scale, and Kelvin scale. So temperature is measured by using three devices or three type of scale. They are Kelvin scale, Celsius scale, and Fahrenheit scale. Now differences between heat and temperature. What are the differences between heat and temperature? First is heat is energy form, temperature is not energy form. Second, heat is the total energy of molecular motion in a substance, but in case of temperature it is average energy measure of molecular motion in a substance. Third is heat transfer from hot to cold region, but in temperature, in case of temperature rises when heated and fall down when object is cooled. So when we heat the object, its temperature increases, and when we cool the object, its temperature fall down. Number 4, SI unit is joule. So the SI unit of heat is joule, but in case of temperature, the SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. So in this video we have learned about what is heat, what is temperature, difference between heat and temperature, and unit of heat and temperature. Thank you. Have a nice day.